How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can export Fusion 360 to Bambu Studio. Now it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you want to head over to this option. It's going to be the file option, and then of course we can click on the export button. Now I suggest exporting your file as an STL file. This is one of the most supported file formats for our Bambu Studio. And then in my case, you can just basically save it to whatever you want to. And now let's head over to our Bambu Studio. Let's click on the new project, or let's just click on prepare. From here, you then want to click on add and then look for your STL file. So in my case, it's going to be this one. Click on open, and as you can see, now we are inside Bambu Studio. You can do whatever you want to on this model, but generally that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.